to not do anything. Now, as paradoxical as it sounds, one of the most powerful things you can do to recharge your brain and to get creative ideas and solve big problems is to not do anything. So let's say you've been working on something important for a while. It's not finished yet. You are bored, you are mentally tired, and you feel like you're taking a break. Now, what should you do in those situations? In the book Deep Work, Cal Newport talks about the idea that you shouldn't just go and grab your phone or computer and check social media and news and email and websites and all that stuff. That will pollute whatever thinking and attention space you had created for what you were working on. We think a break is an opportunity to bombard ourselves with new information, but instead we have to practice being bored. We don't need new information in order for our brain to be able to relax and think clearly. That new information will instead create a mishmash in your brain. That new information will disturb the clean thinking space you have. The brain actually needs time to process what you are working on. So if you want to do great things in this world, you have to develop the habit of doing nothing, to allow yourself to be bored so that your mind is forced to think about what is most important.